Oh, bakit?
Introducing the Husky Family, starting with Polly, the princess of the family who enjoys eating, napping, and going on adventures. Next up is Kobe, the prince of the family, always chatty, full of energy, a bit possessive, but oh so sweet. Then there's Bella, Polly's daughter, the youngest member of the family, talkative, playful, and absolutely adorable. And let's not forget about Momi and Dottie, the loving fur parents who shower Polly, Kobe, and Bella with care and affection.
Naku, bata ako nakita. Hoy! Oh, bakit? Nagsasamba ka kay Mami? Bakit? Ano, pinagod ka ni Daddy? Ha? Babalik niya lang. Ano nakikita niyan? Ano nakikita ng baby na yan? Ha? Oh, no. Bakit? Nakatingin ka sa dog? Oo. Nagre-reklamo? Pinapansin nila? Kukukawa naman yan. Oh, no! Sino bang kawa? Oh, di ba maamo yun? Sa Friday? Opo. Oo. Dami sinasabi ang daddy. Friend lang. Balik na. Inaamoy si Polly. Polly! Polly. Eto na po kami. Sa taas. Malapit na sa bahay. Polly. Hingal na bata eh. Eto na ang dalaga. Pauwi na.
Thanks for tuning in. To subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell.